Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I go with the buyers as my first trade. In this session I will take some trades and then I will explain why do I take these trades, okay? First of all, we are in a ranging market. So let me just mark this range for you. And we know that in ranging markets, red-green patterns, doji breaks, they work best, okay? So this is a ranging market and this is the range. But if we zoom back, we see something else. If I mark this right here, you can see what I'm talking about. This is a QM. I will make it this color. So this is a QM for me, okay? Low, high, low, low, and then high, high. This is the QM zone for us. So basically, what is happening is we have a QM zone. So this QM zone will be normally a buying area for us. So the priority will be taking buy trades. At the same time, we are in a small range, which consists of some dojis, especially this one, which is at the middle of the range. And then we have red-green pattern confirming that the next candle can be a green one, okay? Beside that, we have hammer candle closing on a buyer's area. Hammer candle itself is a reversal sign. So everything lines up for us to take this trade. Okay, this is how exactly I take my trades, adding different confluences and then taking the best possible trade. Also, if you look at here, we have a respected resistance, but it has only 2 touches. So I would not consider this as a decision point trade. But let's say this was a well-respected resistance, which has been respected a couple of times. It would be another filter for us and it would be another confirmation. Let's say this is a very respected resistance and then it has been broken. So this area will be the decision point, okay? So the decision point on this one will be in line with this QM. So it's a very strong confirmation, right? So if we would go to the lower time frame, we would find this entry right here, okay? So this is the exactly where I would draw the entry, okay? And see, after touching this area, it jumped up. But the point is, probably, since I don't know if it's touching, if this is touching it, then it would be unfresh. So we could go to the lower time frame once again. And we would find this one, like, so we only take if the demand or supply is fresh, okay? If you look at the previous time frame in 15 seconds, this is already touched. If you look at this, let me just remove this. If you draw this, it has this wick inside of it, so it's not fresh. But if we go to the 10 second time frame, you can see that if it loads the chart, okay, you can see that if we draw it in 10 seconds, basically if we refine that, this will be the entry. Oh my god, this will be the entry. See, so entry would be exactly right here. If we go back to 1 minute and if we look at this, the bigger picture, this would be an amazing trade, right? So now, let's just move on. Oh, hold on. We have an opportunity right now. I will take this. Oh my god, I would love this one to close somewhere up here. Basically break the range, but that's totally fine. Again, we have this doji at the middle. We have this doji right here. And basically, I was looking for this to break this doji up here, but it didn't really happen. Jumped back down right here. So basically, probably we will lose this trade. All right. And this zone right here, it's a QM zone. And you see that the high, low, high, high, and then lower, low is the QM zone. Just like this one, which was a QM zone. Let's see what this trade is going to do for us. And then we will check this QM. All right, we didn't lose this trade. I guess it's because we're closing at the resistance, and this is some kind of exhaustion candle. All right, so now look at this QM. This is a QM up here, okay? If you look, this is a QM, see? QM buy, we marked the entry right here. And now we have QM sell. High, low, high, high, low, low. This is a QM sell. You can watch this video, will pop up. If you're old enough in this channel, you probably have watched this video. But if you're new, please watch this video. It's a full guide of QM setup for free. It's about 2 hours of video. Maybe 1 hour, I don't remember. But yeah, watch that video. It's, you know, explaining 100% of a QM setup. So this is a QM setup. Let's check the higher time frame confirmation. Let's see if we can find the engulf. I don't see any engulf. So this QM will not be a takeable trade for me. Let's go back to 1 minute. I don't see engulf. I'm pretty sure maybe in 10 minutes we can, no, we don't even, we see the engulf in 15 minutes. It's inaccurate as hell. I'm not going to take this trade at all, okay? So let's just move on. Just move on and find some good trades. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel, first link in the description. I don't have VIP signal, that kind of stuff. I just share my students' results and sometimes some good stuff. So if you're interested, just check the first link in the description. All right, look at this one. Look at this one. So basically on this one, we see a breakout trade, but some of you might take this trade, but it's not a safe breakout trade, okay? So basically market loves to switch between support and resistance, right? And supply and demand, right? So if you have this demand, market touches this, goes to next supply. This is the next supply. Goes here and then drops the next demand, okay? And then it goes up again. Maybe it breaks the demand. Broken demand will be, broken supply will be broken demand, broken supply will be demand, right? If it comes down here, touches here, it will go up. Next supply will be up here. So basically market will move just like this, right? And market loves to, you know, touch, if it's moving in a ranging market, loves to respect the support and resistance. And now we see this breakout happening right here. It's creating a lower low. So you might take this as a sell. But first of all, we have a momentum. When we have a momentum, we never want to take a breakout trade, right? We also want other reasons to combine. There's no other reason, okay? And we are, you know, we created this double bottom. Everything is with the buyers. So this, you see how strong it is, that it really ignores this supply. Looks great, right? But it gets ignored because the market is super strong and it's in the favor of buyers. It's moving between this range. See this? Fake out, support, and then fake out, comes down, double bottom, and then boom, it will go at least until here. So now if it's coming down, it will reject from somewhere down here, okay? Because there will be some decision point. The market just decided to break this supply, also break this resistance, which has been respected a couple of times. So if you go back to the lower time frame and try to find a fresh demand area, this will be the fresh demand. Oh my God, what is this? This will be the fresh demand area for us. I will make it blue. And the way market will move, it will come down, boom, it will go up until the supply, it will cross it a little bit, and then it will drop again. Basically, it will create a price channel like this, right? So let's just wait for this one to see what it's going to do. It's also uptrend. Yeah, I'll wait for this one to come down. Oh, look at this one. well respected resistance area, and then we have this demand. The price comes down here to react. Oh my god, my entry is bad, man. I wanted to take this trade down here. I add 2 more. And let's see what the result's going to be. This is a very nice demand area for me. This entry is a little bad, and it was late. Alright, it was a winning trade. And let's see, I'm pretty sure we have something inside of it. And let's go to lower time frame. Let me just mark the demand area. So basically inside of ABCs, most likely we will have some demand, right? And the main reason it gave me the confirmation is this gap down. So basically when I see the gap down, it gives me this feeling that it's in the favor bars. Most likely we will get a green candle, but it's not enough. So you have to add it to other confluences. For example, if you see ABC and then before that you see gap down, it's a confirmation. You can go to lower time frame and you can find the fresh demand inside of that ABC, just like this, the blue zone. You can even refine that. If you don't see, you can just keep going to the lower time frame until you see. If you didn't really see, you can just stick to 30-second entry, just like that one, and then you place your entry the moment it touches this zone. Okay, you can also add the common point of rejections, right? For example, if there was like some rejections like this, right? In this case, we don't have it, but if there was some rejections like this, you could add a common line between all the rejections and take your entry even better, right? Adding the most confluences you can. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me, and thank you for watching. Peace out.